Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a double knitting tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at connected yarnovers. Connected yarnovers differ from their standard or unconnected cousins in that with ordinary yarnovers you get a hole that goes right through both layers of the fabric. It's going to be hard to see here, but can you see my finger popping through the hole? Those are ordinary yarnovers done the standard way in DK, but these are connected yarnovers, and try as you might, you can't get there's no hole there to put your finger through, and what you get is this sort of stained glass window effect where the colour from the other side shows through the hole. And if I turn it over, you can see the same is true on the other side. There's no discernible hole to get your finger through. It's a really nice effect, and it's very, very simple to do. It's not actually done anything like the ordinary way of doing yarnovers in double knitting. It's like this. Starting with both yarns at the back of the work, bring both to the front between the two needles and take both to the back going over the top of the right needle. So that's, instead of doing the yarn over separately as we've done before, it's you're using both yarns together to bring them forward and then back. And then crucially, this is the bit that matters. I do a 360 twist between the two yarns, taking the left yarn, whichever one is left, however you're holding your yarns, whichever one's over the left, bringing it over the top of the other one, and then underneath to go back where it started. So they've twisted fully round each other and they are back where they began, with the yellow in my right hand and the purple in my left. And then I'm going to work a pair of ordinary DK stitches to lock those in place. So that's all there is to it. You can see those two stitches there, they're the yarn over stitches. When you come back to them, you just work into them as if they're any other stitch at all, and you will end up with those wonderful, beautiful connected yarn overs. Let me show you one more time. Wrap both yarns around the right needle like that, and then twist the two yarns together, with the left one going over the top of the right and back to where it started, going underneath it in a 360 movement, and then you just lock those stitches in place like so. And that's all there is to it. Those are the connected yarn overs in double knitting. Zip!